This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Cindy Edwards. Situated in the Avalon Sound side community, this cute home features one-level living, open floor plan and so many extras. Besides having no stairs to climb, home features a sunroom, back deck, nice storage building/workshop in the large fenced-in backyard, large driveway and covered parking under the carport. The spacious double lot gives you plenty of room to play. Easy access to the ocean and the Sound and a place nearby to launch your jet ski or boat. Avalon has an optional property owners association for $50 per year, which gives you a pass to parking out of lot by Avalon Pier. Convenient to restaurants, shopping, movies, WaWa, Target, fishing pier and easy access to Bay Drive. Recently updated items include brand new HVAC, vinyl siding 2 years ago, new refrigerator last year and new dishwasher this week. If you're considering the OBX, this home is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Edwards at 252-256-0520.